Right now, Tesla holds 3 of the top 3 spots on the fastest depreciating car list in the country. That sounds bad for sellers, sure, but for buyers, it's a gold mine. You can grab a Tesla for under $20,000 that will easily run another 200,000 miles. The catch? You have to know exactly which ones to look for before the rest of the market catches on. Today, I'm going to show you 5 bulletproof Teslas that are flying under the radar but won't stay hidden for long. Let's start with number 5. The 2018 to 2019 Model 3 mid-range with rear-wheel drive. Tesla only sold this version for about 6 months, from late 2018 into early 2019, before quietly discontinuing it. It came with a 62 kilowatt-hour battery, a single permanent magnet rear motor, and about 260 miles of range when new. That puts it right between the standard range and long range. And that gap is exactly why these cars are almost invisible on the used market. Right now, there are fewer than 60 listed nationwide. Prices hover between $14,000 and $18,000 depending on mileage. Here's why this is a steal. You're getting a larger battery than the standard range, so it doesn't have to work as hard every day. That means the battery ages slower. And the drivetrain, just a single rear motor, is known to last well past 200,000 miles with minimal issues. I actually worked on one of these last year. It had about 95,000 miles on it, and the only maintenance done was a 12-volt battery swap and cabin air filters. No unusual noises, no drivetrain problems. If you shop for one, pay attention to the VIN. Higher numbers mean a later production, which generally indicates better build quality. Budget for a 12-volt battery swap every few years, and you're set. Number 4 is where things start to get exciting. The 2019 to 2020 Model 3, performance with high mileage. Now, before you skip this thinking, the odometer reads 100,000 miles. Hear me out. These cars are going for $16,000 to $20,000, and they can hit 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. That's faster than a Porsche 911 Carrera that costs over $100,000. The reason these cars are so cheap is simple. Most buyers see 6 figures on the odometer and assume the battery is dead, or the motors are on borrowed time. That's not how these drivetrains work. The performance models have 2 motors, the exact same units Tesla uses in every all-wheel drive Model 3. Owners on Tesla forums report 200,000 miles and still around 90% battery capacity. I inspected one last month with 112,000 miles. The battery was at 88%, and the acceleration still pinned you to the seat. A key detail here is the build date. Cars built before late April 2019 have the older autopilot hardware, which isn't getting new updates. Cars after that have the newer computer and can continue receiving software improvements. If you can, look for a Stealth Performance variant. These were limited editions that look like long-range Model 3s on the outside. No spoiler, no badging, but have the full performance drivetrain underneath. Dealers sometimes list them as long-range by mistake, and if you find one, that's essentially free money. Number 3 is the 2018 Model 3 Long Range with rear-wheel drive. From mid-2017 to early 2019, Tesla sold the Long Range as rear-wheel drive only, with 1 motor in the back and no front drive unit. These cars have 310 miles of range when new. Most buyers searching for used long range assume it's all-wheel drive. When they see rear-wheel drive, they skip it. That blind spot is exactly why these are priced from $13,000 to $18,000. Because the battery is bigger than the standard range, it ages slower. One owner documented just 2.2% battery loss after 100,000 miles. That's remarkable. I tried to buy one myself last year with 70,000 miles for $14,000. but someone beat me by 2 hours. If you shop, stick to later builds. Late 2018 production. Since early 2018, cars came from what Tesla fans call production hell. Panel gaps, paint issues, inconsistent quality. The power conversion system is something to watch. Some mechanics recommend an extended warranty for peace of mind, which is worth the small extra cost. I'll add something many buyers overlook. These rear-wheel drive long-range models handle differently than AWD. They're lighter up front, which actually improves highway efficiency and makes them more predictable in snow with proper tires. And because they were produced in limited numbers, you're getting a rare car that doesn't show up in typical long-range AWD searches. Number 2 is the late 2020 Model 3 long-range all-wheel drive, specifically builds from November 2020 or later. In that month, Tesla quietly refreshed the Model 3 with black trim instead of chrome, a redesigned center console with wireless charging, power-operated trunk, and double-pane front windows. These changes make the car feel modern, but since it shares the 2020 model year with earlier builds, the market prices them the same. That means you can find these refreshed cars for $17,000 to $20,000 with 80,000 to 110,000 miles, $2,000 to $4,000 less than equivalent 2021 models. Battery life is strong. Owners report 10 to 13% degradation at 100,000 miles, and many cars past 200,000 miles still maintain about 85% capacity. One downside, they don't have a heat pump. So if you live in a very cold area, expect some range loss. A practical tip: avoid cars built in the last 2 weeks of any quarter, March, June, September, or December. Tesla ramps deliveries in those weeks, and quality control can slip. Another thing to check is the software history. Some late 2020 cars never got certain autopilot or infotainment updates due to VIN or production quirks. Verify updates in Tesla's app before buying. Finally, number 1. The 2020 to 2021 Model Y long-range all-wheel drive. 6 months ago, finding one under $20,000 was nearly impossible. Now, there are close to 200 listings online, mostly higher mileage examples from 100,000 to 160,000 miles. That might sound scary, but in reality, these cars often have used only 30 to 40% of their battery lifespan. The Model Y shares about 75% of its parts with the Model 3, including the same motors and battery setup. I have inspected cars with over 100,000 miles where the drivetrain felt like it had 30,000 miles. One owner reported just 13% range loss at 109,000 miles, and his only maintenance expense was replacing cabin filters and topping off washer fluid. There's one thing to watch: where the car was built. The first character of the VIN tells you the factory. L means Shanghai, which consistently has better build quality. 5 means Fremont, which is fine, but you may want a closer inspection. The 2020 Model Y was the first year of production, so check for panel gaps or paint issues. And always get an independent battery health check rather than trusting the on-screen range estimate, which can be off by 15 to 20%. Also, consider trim and interior options. Some late 2020 Model Ys came with minor interior defects that were never corrected, so a quick walkthrough is worth it. Before you head out, 2 big traps to avoid. Any Model S built before 2016 has early drive units prone to coolant seal failure, and the touchscreen is almost guaranteed to fail. The 2016 Model X earned a 1 out of 5 reliability rating thanks to the Falcon Wing doors alone. If someone offers either for a price that seems too good, there's a reason it's cheap. The key takeaway is simple. The used Tesla market rewards those who know the hardware, not just the model year. Every one of these 5 picks is priced below the value its mechanical quality deserves. They won't stay that way for long, so here's my question for you. Which Tesla would you grab first if you had $20,000 to spend? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth Tesla tips, hidden deals, and real-world inspections every week.